ओके जी, हमारे साथ इस वक्त एम्बेसडर ऑफ रिपब्लिक ऑफ इटली हैं. मैं इनका नाम कोशिश करूंगी मैं अच्छे से और ठीक से प्रोनाउंस कर लूँ. स्टेफेनो पोंटेकोर्वो. Am I right?
You're nearly there, but it's okay.
Okay, a few words I have learned. Ciao.
Ciao, yes. Hello.
Hello. And the second one was come sta?
Molto bene, thank you.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I would like to know your remarks regarding this event.
Well, I think people enjoyed it. It was the most successful fundraising gala since I've been here. We raised over 8 million rupees, which will go towards free treatment of underprivileged autistic children, which we think is a good cause. And in fact, the generously Pakistani people contributed to it very, very widely.
Sir, what do you think how important it is to do efforts for autistic children?
I think it is paramount because very little is said, very little is known. Italy has a very good school in autism, and we are sure that we can transfer a bit of our knowledge here. We had this afternoon, a seminar for professionals held by Professor Muratori, who is visiting for the occasion. We expected 80 people, 400 showed up.
Okay, sir. So I would like to know your remarks regarding this music concert as well.
This is a typically Neapolitan and Southern folk music.
And that's quite energetic.
It is. I grew up with it. It's my childhood.
So how would you like to comment regarding Pakistan and Italy relationship?
It's excellent and getting better and better in all fields.
And how do you feel in Pakistan?
At home.